10 Best Coolant for Dodge Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Mopar 10-year 150K Coolant Concentrate. Give your engine the ultimate defense with genuine Mopar 10-year 150K Coolant Concentrate. This isn't just any coolant. It's engineered for unparalleled longevity, providing a decade or 150,000 miles of superior protection against extreme temperatures and corrosion. The 1-gallon concentrate bottle offers excellent value, and its advanced formula is truly universal, safe for all radiators and compatible with every gas or diesel engine you own. No more guesswork. For added peace of mind, it contains a bittering agent, prioritizing safety. This Mopar concentrate is an essential investment in your vehicle's health, ensuring peak performance and reliable journeys for years to come. Drive confidently, knowing you're running on Mopar excellence. Number 9. Amazon's Top Pick. Introducing Amazon's Top Pick, the Mopar 5050 pre-diluted antifreeze/coolant. Meticulously engineered to the rigorous MS 90032 standard, this genuine Mopar formula ensures unparalleled engine protection and longevity. Enjoy worry-free driving for an incredible 10 years, as it expertly guards against extreme temperatures, from a blistering 265 degrees Fahrenheit to a frigid minus 34 degrees Fahrenheit. The convenient 50/50 pre-diluted mix means no guesswork or messy preparation. Simply pour and protect your investment. Trusted by owners of a wide range of popular models, including Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, this coolant is your go-to for maintaining peak performance and preserving your vehicle's health. Choose the expert-recommended solution for lasting reliability. Number 8. Dodge Ram Dakota Coolant Overflow Tank. Keep your classic Dodge or Ram running cool with our premium Coolant Overflow Tank. Designed as a direct factory replacement, this tank is crafted from high-quality polypropylene to meet strict OEM standards, ensuring exceptional durability and a perfect fit. You'll appreciate the included reservoir cap, making it a complete, ready-to-install solution for your 90-02D series, Dakota, Ram, or Ramcharger. Forget frustrating modifications. This tank offers a hassle-free, direct replacement. Simply swap it out and drive with confidence, knowing your engine's cooling system is optimized. Compatible with a wide range of engines from 2.5L to 8-SIL 5.9L, it's the reliable, no-fuss upgrade your truck deserves. Number 7. Mopar Engine Coolant Temp Sensor. Ensure your engine runs cool and confidently with a Mopar Engine Coolant Temp Sensor, your vehicle's essential guardian against overheating. This vital sensor precisely monitors coolant temperature, relaying critical data to your ECM. This enables optimal engine performance, maintains an efficient fuel mixture, and, crucially, prevents costly internal damage from unexpected temperature spikes. Engineered for a vast range of Dodge Avenger, Ram 1500, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Chrysler 300, and many more models from 2008-2020 plus, it offers broad compatibility. As a direct replacement for part numbers like 5149077AB, it guarantees seamless integration and reliable operation. Invest in the accuracy and peace of mind your vehicle deserves, driving protected with precisely monitored engine health. Number 6. A premium Dodge Ram Radiator. Keep your Dodge B-Series or Ram van running cool and strong with the A Premium Radiator. Designed for a perfect fit on models like the B150, 1994, through Ram 3500 van, 2003, this radiator is engineered to seamlessly restore your vehicle's cooling system. With precise core dimensions and exact inlet/outlet diameters, it's a direct replacement, ensuring optimal heat dissipation, no transmission oil cooler included. We meticulously manufacture and test to the strictest standards, guaranteeing superior performance and bringing your engine back to its prime operating condition. Drive with absolute confidence, knowing your investment is backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Number 5. Ram 1500 Thermostat 2002 to 2010. Is your Ram 1500 running hot or struggling to maintain the right engine temperature? Give your truck the reliable performance it deserves with this genuine Motorrad engine coolant thermostat. Engineered as a direct replacement for Dodge Ram 1500 models from 2002 to 2010, this isn't just any part. It's a precision motorrad component built for optimal function. You'll receive original packaging and all necessary hardware, ensuring a hassle-free installation right out of the box. No more guesswork or extra trips. By maintaining your engine's ideal operating temperature, you're not just preventing potential damage. You're also ensuring peak performance and better fuel efficiency. Invest in the authenticity and perfect fit of Motorrad and keep your Ram ready for anything. Number 4, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Thermostat and O-Ring. Ever wonder what keeps your powerful Chrysler, Dodge, or Jeep V8 engine running just right? It's often the unsung hero, your thermostat. Our A-Premium engine, coolant thermostat, and O-Ring kit is meticulously designed to ensure your vehicle operates at its optimal 71 degrees Celsius temperature, preventing overheating and maximizing efficiency. Crafted from high-quality metal and rubber, this unit guarantees long-lasting durability and a leak-free seal with the included O-Ring. We've covered an extensive range of models, from the mighty Challenger and Charger to the robust Ram and Grand Cherokee, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific ride. Plus, with our 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, you can install with absolute confidence and enjoy peace of mind on every journey. Number 3, Ram Truck Radiator Upgrade. Is your Ram truck working as hard as you do? Ensure it stays cool under pressure with the A-Premium Radiator Upgrade. Meticulously engineered for a precise fit, this radiator is compatible with a wide range of Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models from 2009 to 2022, covering various V6 and V8 engines. Crafted to the strictest standards, our radiator restores your truck's cooling system to optimum operating condition, preventing overheating and extending engine life. Its precision-engineered core dimensions ensure maximum heat dissipation, delivering superior performance you could trust. Drive with absolute confidence knowing this essential upgrade is backed by A-Premium's 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Keep your Ram running strong, mile after mile. Number 2, Dodge Ram Engine Coolant Radiator Replacement. Engine running hot? Restore your Dodge Ram's peak performance and reliability with our direct OEM fit radiator. Engineered for Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models, installation is a breeze, no modifications needed. More than a replacement, it's an upgrade. Built with high-density multi-louvered fins and a robust aluminum core, it ensures maximum cooling efficiency and leak-proof durability, even in extreme conditions. Rigorous testing and premium TIG welded construction, including a durable brass transmission oil cooler, guarantee long-lasting performance. Drive with confidence. Backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty and 24/7 support, keep your Ram running cool and strong. Number 1, Coolant Thermostat and Seal for Ram, Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler. Keep your engine running flawlessly with our precision-engineered Coolant Thermostat and Seal. Designed for a wide range of Ram, Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler vehicles, this component is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Featuring an 82 degrees Celsius start-to-open temperature, this thermostat precisely regulates your engine's heat dissipation, ensuring it operates within the ideal temperature range. This meticulous control prevents costly overheating or inefficient underheating, protecting your investment. Crafted through rigorous hardness and crushing tests, you can rely on its robust construction and consistent, dependable performance. Plus, drive with absolute confidence thanks to our 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Ensure your vehicle stays cool under pressure. So, that sums up my 10 best coolant for Dodge Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.